Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville machine that it was brought to us because it was having some issues with the grinder. We were able to deep clean the whole grinder, adjust the tamper, which was not fully tamping this portafilter properly, deep clean everything inside of it, disassemble it as well, and put it back together. We also replaced the gasket of the machine, service the group head, deep clean everything, descaled both of the boilers, and yeah, that's what we did. We just gave this machine a beautiful tune-up. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this out. Right now the grind is on 29. We are using, we're running out of coffee. We're using very fresh coffee from February seeds by Solo. There we go. Machine finished grinding and is now tamping. Great tamping. Looking amazing. Lock into position. And we select the single shot. Now this machine has at least 7 to 10 seconds of pre-infusion. After that it gets into the extraction process where you will see that beautiful shot coming just like so. Perfect, in 5 seconds. Probably the grind needs to be calibrated needs to be a little coarser, so that way we have a little bit more than less than an ounce. This will be a ristretto. Beautiful shot, really beautiful. Good shot of espresso. Let's test the steamer now. There is steam coming out from the machine. Excellent pressure. Working amazing. Excellent flow coming out from the group head. Working perfectly fine. So there you have it, Breville working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.